What's going on, family? It's yours truly, your boy Jay De Niro, back with another one. I know y'all tired of me, hey, but I gotta keep these reviews coming. I'm in the mood for a burger. Y'all know I'm a burger eating individual. I love burgers and pizza. So I'm headed to this spot that my friend introduces me to out there in Bartlett. It's called Mojo'S Cafe. I don't be knowing where I'm going. She be taking me to all these places, you know. Cause I don't mess off in Bartlett because, you know, the police hot out there. And they'll pull you over if your blink ain't blinking on time. So, you know, I got her driving and I got my seatbelt on. Putting it on right now. We headed to Mojo'S, baby. Come on, explain it again. You said, have I ever eaten it?
Spam, pickle, and egg sandwich.
Spam, pickle, and egg. Yeah. That sounds good besides the pickles.
Ooh, dog!
Girl, leave that dog. What's up with y'all folks and dogs and cats and all that, man? Leave that dog alone. He already got a home. I think I see a tag on him. Leave him alone.
Oh, he's just walking on the sidewalk.
No, you got enough animals.
Look at that dog. He's handsome.
Oh, that look like you got the man.
No, it doesn't. It's fluffy. He's got his winter coat on.
He a month later from the man. Leave him alone. You don't need him. Yeah, but I ain't got no problem with you. I was taught to mind my business, you know. You know, we just friends anyway, you know what I mean?
You're my boyfriend. You're so silly.
For me? Have a seat. Am I being detained?
Have a seat. Yes, you're being detained. Have a seat. Yep, he's in the water.
What? Somebody always claiming me. Hey, guys, I don't know what it is about me. Is it because I can cook? You know what I mean? What is it? I don't get it. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
Just don't want you thinking you can go fuck anybody else.
You think this belongs to you, don't
It does.
it? Ooh, wee, boy, your lips ashy. Somebody got some chapstick.
Quit laughing.
Say, man, hey, man, she tripping.
You did.
She tripping.
You understand?
What's wrong with her?
I hope they let you through. Hope you don't get your shit hit. Hope they
You're
let
supposed
you
to
through.
not block off the fucking entrance.
Yeah, I know. You might get through there. Yeah, you can get through there. Ooh, wee. You got me nervous. Ooh, wee. She a gangster. She ain't bulldozing through that mom.
Yeah, we finally made it to our destination. We right here at Mojo'S Cafe. Okay, we finally made it to Mojo'S, family. Hey, all my hood people, all my ghetto people, all my black people, make sure you have your seatbelt on when you're in Bartlett. And make sure you're going the speed limit. You see the address right there on the side, so you can find this place. I'm eager to get in here and see what they had to offer. Me entering this restaurant, I can just tell it's a clean environment. Got the nice TV on the wall. Snowman, snowflakes, you know, they decorating for Christmas or whatnot, because it is the season to be jolly. But this is their menu. I looked online and they didn't have nothing but a picture of their chalkboard. So this is their menu. It's all wrote in chalk. They got the smoked cheese burger, Bluff City burger, shroom swiss burger, jalapeno burger, Mojo'S sliders, banger fish sliders, all type of stuff. You see it. Fish tacos, impossible, tenders, the vegan out burger. See there? They even got an option for you vegan eaters. Come on now. They have made burgers every which way. Oh, I can't believe they had onion rings. I wanted to try them. I love a good onion ring. This is burger.
And bacon, cheese, fries. Did you want to do the Mojo sliders? And did you want cheese on those? Medium to medium well, okay, or well done? Medium.
Just give me the super burger. I just want the burger sandwich.
And that one was well done as well?
Oh yeah, way down.
Okay.
He black, yeah.
I got you. What else can I get for you?
What's on this? What's on this super burger?
Super burger?
Yeah.
It pretty much comes with everything on it. So it's a double patty and it has lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, chipotle, mustard, and then it has American cheese and Gouda cheese.
I don't know if he likes Chipotle. Can you hold a Chipotle? What's the favorite on the menu that a lot of your customers get?
A lot of people order the smoked cheeseburger.
Yeah, that's what I want, the smoked cheeseburger, and I want the Philly cheese fries.
Your total is going to be $58 even.
All right. I think ice a little low, huh? You get Mountain Dew? I think it's about time for me to check out the bathroom. I'm so disappointed that they didn't have no lemonade. Let's get in here and see how clean this restaurant is. No lemonade, 2-point deduction. Okay, I'm stepping into the man's bathroom. Look like everything's clean. The toilet bowl is clean. Smells good in here. Walls clean, sink clean. I have no complaints. This bathroom is flawless. Nice picture on the wall. Okay, let's go and check the ladies' bathroom. You know they be living foul. Let's go check them out, you know what I mean? Look at the bathroom. Oh, it's nice and clean. You know, no tampons on the floor. No bloody toilet paper. Hey, they need to replace that mirror, you know what I mean? But this light. But everything is clean. It also smells good in here. Hold up. Are they bathrooms clean because they having a slow day right now and they don't have a rush? Everything looks good. I'm gonna have to rate this bathroom by 8.5. Primo, como estas, amiga? You know I had to get a snippet of Pedro in the kitchen. I don't know if his name Pedro, but this name I gave him. You know, we gonna sprinkle that cheese on there just like that. Look at him. Doing that burger work. He look like he know what he doing. Let's see what his chop game like. Okay. Pedro, do your thing, man. Yes, sir. Sprinkle it on top of those fries. Hey, I ain't order bacon on my fries, so I know they gotta be her fries. Top it off with that parsley. I see you for presentation. And over to the grill, baby. Look at him go. Ooh, it smells so great in here. You doing too much, Pedro. Don't make me get in here. Don't make me show you something. Look how he laid on top of those Philly cheesesteak fries. And they say I'm cheap. And I'd have paid this girl $100 for me to get in this kitchen so I can see what Pedro doing up close and personal. Bringing it to y'all in 3D, baby. Hey, my boy doing his thing, that girl. You hear me? He doing his thing. You hear me? Professional chef, you know what I mean? The burger man. Playing the grill. What Tupac say? Black love, brown pride. We all created equal. But just look at those Philly cheesesteak fries. It's the sight of those fries covered with that cheese and that Philly cheesesteak meat. Ooh, turns Pedro, como gadatas. Those fries are so cheesy. Now let's move along to the star. The one that steals the show. She said this is a customer's favorite, that smoked double cheeseburger. I could have got the single, but I wanted the double. I've been doing big-ish since I was born. Double me, man. And I also add that crispy bacon. Look at them caramelized onions. You better look at them. That cheese on top of that thick beef patty. And more cheese was added. And it's more than just one type of cheese. And I'm pointing at it with my ashy finger and all. I just can't wait to try this burger. Calling this burger sexy is an understatement. Check out what she ordered. I can't lie, they look good.
Cheese and bacon.
Cheese and bacon. She just got cheese and bacon on the fries. 2 different type of cheese. Like it's American and Swiss. Or mozzarella. She have her burger sliders right there. Why don't you lift the lid up on there? Let me see that burger. Let the people see that burger. That looks good. She didn't get hers well done. But she's Caucasian. Are these gonna make me feel like I'm in Philly? Want some? Yeah, some. Nice flavor to those fries. They nice and crispy. Not heavily salted. I taste the seasoning on the Philly cheesesteak. But really what make these fries unique is that yum sauce.
That's about the only thing, if you ask me.
I'm about to rate these fries at 6.5. It's great. Seeing that I'm African American, I like a little more seasoning on my food. They spend more season on these fries. They'll be a 10. Yeah, they have onions and bell peppers. And the Philly cheesesteak fries. Now, you can't have a Philly cheesesteak without those onions and bell peppers.
Honest, if it weren't for their yum yum sauce, those fries would be rated like a 4.5 because he's a good cook, but he ain't using enough season. As you can see, my friend, excuse me, I guess she my girlfriend now. She done had enough of her fries, so I decided to help her out, like any big bag would. But really, that cheese, I thought it was nacho cheese, but it's really just cheese whiz. He could have done better than it. And that ranch is outstanding. We all know Hidden Valley is some of the best ranch in the world. But when I taste this ranch, I can tell that it's homemade, and it took me out of this world. I just didn't know what to think. It is so good.
I like that ranch.
That ranch is an 8.5 on the register. Woo-wee! The owner got it so cold in her, my nipples getting hard. Turn on the heat, please. Sir, please. Woo-wee! Look at that burger. I can't wait to taste this burger. Pedro! Yes, sir. Put his feet in it. I'll give y'all one last look at that. You know what I mean? Look at that cheese. Covering every inch of that burger. It just looks nice. Looks like this topped off with some nacho cheese or some yum yum sauce. I can't make out what it is. I'm still disappointed that they ain't had that lemonade. Look at my face.
First bite.
But look at that burger, baby.
That's a big burger.
Going in. Yes, sir. Biting into this burger, I didn't get that much of a burst of flavor. All I taste is cheese and unseasoned meat. It could be seasoned a little more. What the hell?
That's what we're doing.
Hey, Drew! You highly disappointed me, man. I done talk good about you, hyping you up in the kitchen, and you give me some pink ass meat? Trying my best to eat around the pink part. Cause I never ate half-done meat before. I don't see how people do it. It's disgusting to me. Woo, never ate pink meat before. Hope I don't get salmonella. Well, after that experience, it's time to roll. I can't believe you had the audacity to pull me out of my home in this cold weather, bring me all the way to Bartlett to taste some hospital food. You know how hospital food be looking good, but it's half season. But it's all good. I appreciate the gesture, baby. Get in the car, warm it up now. All jokes aside, I appreciate you.
Sorry, Jay.
I don't want to hear it. Get in. Ooh-wee. Turn the heat on, please. It's a little nice restaurant, nice setting, but it is cold in there. They ain't got no heat on. I think the owner trying to save some money. Winter time down there, man. Turn on that heat. I'm cold. She was ready to come out of there, and she don't get cold easily. Really, the food was nice. At the same time, it needed a little more seasoning. Say this for you people that like to eat on a healthy tip, but want to eat bad every once in a while, but you don't want a lot of seasoning on your food or whatnot. This is the place for you. Me, I gotta have a little seasoning on my food. It's just mediocre. Nice size burger, nice size portion for your money, but the food just lacking seasoning. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to rate this restaurant, Mojo'S right here on Stage, a 5.5. And I'm messing with them on the 0.5. You know what I mean? It wasn't bad. It ain't the worst. Is it the best burger I done had? Hell no. But hey, but it's okay. It's decent for you people that want to eat like on the bad side, but don't want your food heavily seasoned, cholesterol all high and stuff like that. But other than that, hey, this might be the place for you. But me, I don't think I'll be back. You know what I mean? Only way I'll be back, you see me back there with the chef, right? I have my own salt and pepper shaker back there, shaking the shit out of it. You know what I mean? Making sure I get that seasoning on there, baby. It's your boy, Jay De Niro. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Going to these places, these establishments, making sure that the bathroom is clean, making sure that they got good customer service, making sure that the food is good. But you won't have to go to these places unexpected, just trying a new place, and you be really disappointed. But I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. All my viewers. Make sure y'all hop in the comments and let me know y'all favorite burger spots. I want to know the place to be. I want to go where the good food at. It's your boy signing off. You know what I mean? I love y'all. Y'all make sure y'all have a nice, peace, and prosperous day. I'm out. From your boy J De Niro. Love.